In order to ensure that production is constantly improving, it is necessary to think over new algorithms, because at some point there may be a shortage of processing capacities. This situation is observed in not developed industrial countries. Every year more and more toxic waste is filled with clean rivers, fields, and also cast doubt on the quality of agriculture. To solve such problems, it is necessary to apply blocking technology. Yes, that's because it's necessary to change the processing algorithm depending on the types of waste. Then using small resources for costs, you can get a multiple increase in productivity. To solve this problem, the team of the most experienced specialists of Swachhcoin implements a system of incentives and payments for the processing of agricultural waste, as well as everyday waste. Such a program will attract a large number of people, since garbage accumulated so much that its potential income after recycling has no boundaries. The sum of all these activities will ultimately serve humanity and make this planet a better place to live in. Swachhcoin Foundation. What are the advantages of the project? The revolutionary solution of Swachhcoin is to introduce an algorithm for separating biological waste from production waste. This introduction of technology is necessary, since with increasing world population growth, 8.1 billion by 2025, there will be a growth in the ratio of utilized wastes in the common heap. This cannot be tolerated. In contrast to competitors, the platform represents an entire ecosystem in which there will be advantages. 1. Users are given monetary incentive to manage their waste, whereas, traditionally, people used to pay for their waste to be collected from their homes. 2. The range of outputs produced after processing the waste are over 23. Leveraging not one, but four most advanced technologies, i.e. big data, IoT and blockchain. 4. Freedom to sell and buy produced output in both fiat and tokens. 5. Apart from profit-making business model, Swachhcoin platform has integrated autonomous philanthropy mechanism. Business process of biotechnological systems in any business. Loyalty is the first place. So the project team has entered into a strategic relationship with the major partners whose name will be disclosed after the ICO. The essence of the technology is that now around each house will be bunkers, in which submerging waste can receive a token. Each tank will be equipped with Wi-Fi, which will also allow online monitoring of the workload of the tanks. In order to control the algorithm, a completely new SWAT mode will be introduced, which will allow you to monitor the route and the nearest points of transportation prior to the disposal of the containers. The entire process will be fully automated, so trucks will automatically perform a cycle of unloading at the factory. Apart from the above-mentioned processes, the key and most unique feature will be that the entire processing equipments will be paired and brought in sync with big data, IoT and blockchain. This arrangement in an industry will possibly be a never-before phenomenon and will benefit us in endless number of ways. The equipments will function in the most efficient way possible and produce high-quality outputs from the waste inputs. After processing of waste will be produced electricity, biogas, fertilizer, glass, plastic, paper, compost, glass, iron, mercury, non-ferrous metal, plastic pellets, timber, steel, substrate, stainless steel, solvent, precious metal, calcium sulfate, binders, metal salt, recycled aggregate, etc. So many products will allow you to get a lot of extra profit. As a team of the project as true gentlemen will introduce a charity program that will attract even more funds. It will include 1. Of all the contributions received in our crowd sale, 0.3% of the total funds will be donated to various 2. organization. Their details will be updated on this page and the same can be verified on the blockchain. 3. 5% of the rewards distributed to the households will be allocated to Swachhcoin Foundation and will be used for philanthropic causes and covering day-to-day expenses of Swachhcoin Foundation. 4. 4% of the tokens paid for advertisement on SWBIN will be allocated to Swachhcoin Foundation and will be used for philanthropic causes and severing day-to-day expenses of Swachhcoin Foundation. The user will be able to buy products that will be made from waste per token. My evaluation from myself, I will say that I think the project is really worthwhile. So many advisors say that he will indeed be valuable, just as his scheme for processing products inspires confidence. And most importantly, they will be the first to clean India and neighboring countries on such a scale.